What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add transitions to your video clips in Canva. As you can see, I'm in Canva here on a blank canvas here where I can easily create video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on videos. As you can see on the left side, I'm going to add a bunch of videos onto my timeline. Once I add those videos onto my timeline, I'm going to show you how I can easily go ahead and add a transition. So these are my three video clips. And if you want to add transitions, just simply click on any one of the videos. After you adjust them, you will find three dots at the top. You click on it, and here you'll find transitions. You're clicking it, and you can choose from these transitions that you have. So you click on it, and it's gonna basically add the transition. So if you want to do it for another video, you click on it again, three dots, add the transition, and you can easily go ahead and add it. And if you ever want to remove a transition, just click on the transition itself. It's going to open up transitions on the side. And on the top, you should find none. You click on it and it's going to easily remove the transition from your video. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's why you can easily go ahead and add transition to your video clips in Canva. Once you're ready, click share in the upper right hand side. Click download and you can download your video in whichever resolution that you wish. And that's it.